And one day, I'll invite also everybody. Dandan lang, itong mga hirap. Itong mga hirap kasi dito kung hindi yan malakas sa isang hindi nakakita. So, I'll invite taga-Tondo, Pandakan muna kung saan yung para makita nila anong palasyo ng tao. That's why I always say the palace of the people called Malacanang. You have heard me say that. I never say diretso Malacanang Palace. Hindi naman palasyo yan eh. Noon lang yan sa mga panahon na mga pumunta dito at ginawa tayong alipin. May mga Espanyol pati Amerikano, sino pa? Ulit Malacanang Palace. I only call it People's Palace.
Sir, sa teachers na
One day I will rename it People's Palace.
So yung barangay
Pagaya
election,
ng
Mayor,
yung park dito.
next year, Mayor,
One day?
barangay.
I spent there 600 million. Anong pangalan binigay ko? People's Park.
So,
So,
you'll
sir,
have a
bago
change.
matapos yung term nyo, dapat
Oo.
People's Palace.
Saka tanggalin ko. You know why? In the word Malacanang, it sucks with imperialism. Totoo. Sino man nagpangalan ng Malacanang Palace? Mga Espanyol na yun. Why should I just address it as the People's Palace of the Republic of the Philippines?